This is the solution to the first part of this study, where once you find the key move, black has two replies. Well, the key move here is you offer your rook in sacrifice. Now, black only has two moves. He can either take that rook or he can play his king to here. Now, this will feature in the next short. We're interested in this. So, what happens now? Well, white wants to get his queen to h3. He's no problem. He can get it there now. However, there is a better move. What is it? Well, it's this. This is very surprising. He plays there. Now, there are really only two moves here that are of any use at all. You can check all the others out as much as you like. The first one is taking the queen, which makes sense to stop any queen h3. So how does white deal with this? There's a forced mate in two moves here. Well, what he does is he takes the rook, like that, check. And black is running out of king moves. He only has one. He can't touch that knight, so he has to move the king into the corner. And can you see mate on the next move? Of course you can see mate on the next move. It's there, and that is checkmate. Nice conclusion. So let's put this back. That is the position after rook takes h7 check, king takes h7, knight to g6. Now, supposing he moves his king so that white is not in a position to play queen h3 check. If he moves it here, the disadvantage is the black queen is pinned. So let's move it here. It doesn't really make any difference. How does white continue here? Well, if he takes the rook now, like this, the major problem with that is that black can go here, and he's looking to escape. So how do we shut that down? Just take a look at it. Well, amazingly, we play here, check. And then he can interpose his queen, we just take it. So the only move is, because white is covering the flight square on f7 that would otherwise be available, he can either take the knight or he can play king h7. Take the knight. And now we see the point of queen h3. He interposes either here or here. It makes not a jot of difference. And that is checkmate. Do watch out for the third installment where black moves his king to g8.